Case. The green lights are on for Brooks Major of Chick Shanny with mystery case. Watch this thing, Scooby-Doo is way right down there.
How about him for look 306 and 11? If I was the best man, I'd say he's going to turn that down, but we'll find out in a minute. This way out there, they had a few changes of balance.
Mad Farmer, Massey Ferguson. First year for Massey Ferguson, 1958. This one's from the middle stuff, Major League stuff.
Not bad. How about a hand for him? We just got that back together. 246.24 for Glenn. He'll exit to the right side because we are all underway. We'll be looking for Brandon Ewing at the beginning.
When you see it there, got him taken care of. Now I gave this one the green flag, the rough case.
Okay, how about a hand for Brandon Ewing setting a new mark? That's 299.81. 299.81. It's a white and orange case, so it's a 75 through 78 auto. 70 series.
You pull the fluid, tighten the chain. We should have green lights and flags here in a moment.
How about a hand for DJ Book? He's our new leader at 30151. 30151. We're now front about that 1.8 feet.
That's 301.5.
How about a nice hand for Mason Seagal? He's out there way out at 225, that's 35, and it didn't take long to get there at 25 mile an hour.
Don't forget heavy farm stops tomorrow morning right here at 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. We went until about 3:45 last year. Hey, that's not what he had in mind. 40.28 feet, way short of the 100-foot pointed over turn, but it's got a second and 10th color. There goes this time for 5. back up, so he's trying to ride it out. The RPM just wouldn't come up with that sled rolling forward on it. It's 212 to 14. So that's the unfortunate part. The fortunate part is it's not broken. Trying to take the sled home with her. Back to Middleton. 334.33 and a bam. Right, 254.56, that's another one that's not broken, but it's going to use some more RPM. 5.4, 5.6, puts it in the number 5 spot. It's going to be the first one in that class of 8. The back of this one, the mystery case finishing up, enhanced farm. Snyder County Points class. How about handpoint hook? She is 314.99. Good hook. And better than the first attempt. But a little bit of a rough ride. That cost him some footage. And that's going to put him back to the number 3 spot.